The story of tax is a story of transformation.
As a tax administrator, I want certainty.
No doubt that tomorrow will be highly uncertain, and that's a big concern for our businesses.
Is it what I'm doing good enough, reasonable enough? Does it pass the test of common sense?
I call it the red face test. You have to basically be sure that the day you will be questioned on why this, why that, your face will not turn red. Because if your face is turning red, there you are in trouble and you cannot do it.
The transformation in tax is creating powerful change that's accelerating all the time. All this means that tax has become a strategic linchpin for business. Connected Solutions by EY can reduce risk, add value, and drive decision-making. But with so much opportunity, where should you focus first? Is your strategy the strongest one for your business?
Tax administrations have the abilities to deal with big data, and they actually expect that the taxpayers do too.
Data analytics will change the role of tax from being the historian that it often is today to a strategic business partner.
We're able to introduce even more sophisticated technology with machine learning, with artificial intelligence, natural language generation.
As tax evolves from a ledger of the past, EY's tax agenda framework is built on external and internal influences that affect your tax agenda, allowing you to identify actions that will help take your tax function to the next level. Talk to your EY advisor about what's on your tax agenda.